This video is gonna be the Banjara Market haul, and you'll be seeing everything that we've bought and their prices and everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, take a moment and go subscribe to my channel right now. So yeah, सबसे पहले तो I would like to apologize to everyone for being so inactive on YouTube. अगर आपने मुझे फॉलो कर रखा है Instagram पे, so you'll know कि मैं क्यों इतनी inactive थी because my brother's marriage and I was so busy with everything, shopping and the office and everything. So I didn't get any time to shoot this video. So yeah, this video is gonna be the Banjara Market haul, and you'll be seeing everything that we've bought and their prices and everything. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So the first thing that we have are these bowls. We got these for 150 rupees and they were offering these for 400 rupees, which you saw in the earlier video. So इसका एक वाले का cap वहीं पे टूट गया था and we couldn't get a replacement for that. Okay, so next we have this orange vase. We got this for 150 rupees and this was offered for around 250 something. So yeah, it was also a good deal. We haven't put anything in this yet and the quality is nice, but you have to check before buying anything. You have to check over there if things are fine or not, because they might have some marks or some cracks in between. Next we have these cute cactus vases. We've got 3 of them for 350 rupees. So these two are of the same size, and then we have a bit bigger one which is over here. Again, we haven't filled them, but yeah, they look so decent like this only, and we're using these like showpieces. Then we have these 2 turtles, and there's one more like this one, and there's a bit of defect in this. As you can see over here, there's a mark, and then here also. So we bought these late, around 6 something, so already बहुत अंधेरा हो चुका था and we couldn't see the defects. So make sure you go in the daylight so that तुम लोग देख पाओ कि defects है नहीं है. So yeah, we got these 2 for 120 rupees. Then we have got 2 more pots. This one is a very cute duck, and then we have this cute tortoise. We got the 2 of them for 200 rupees and they literally look so cute, like look at them. We also bought some lanterns from there. So this one is a pretty decent size, I guess. This one was for 150 rupees. I mean, this one was not for 150. We got this for 150. This was offered for around 300 if I'm not wrong. So yeah. So we've also got more lanterns. So these are rectangle lanterns and these 2 are of the same size. And again, there's another one. Wait. Okay, yeah. Here it is. So yeah, these are the sizes and we got 3 of them for 300 rupees. We actually bargained a lot for these. So we put some candles in them and we lit them on Diwali, but उसके बाद से लेके अब तक we're not using these anymore, but these look so good. Then we have this really big lantern, and like look at the size of it. We haven't lit this yet. अभी तक हमने इसको ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है and this looks pretty good. I mean, we got this for 300 rupees. Then we have 2 more pots. This and this. This one was for 50 rupees and this one is for 40. We also got this pot for 100 rupees. Again, a bit of defect, but it's fine. Then we got this full length mirror. This was offered to us for around 4k, the frame and the mirror, but we got this without the mirror for 1400 rupees after bargaining with the person. And then we got the mirror installed from somewhere else, and the mirror was installed for I guess 800 rupees, and then it cost us around 2200. और ये हमें ब्राउन कलर में मिला था फ्रेम. हमने इसको पेंट करा पूरा जिसके cinematics I'll add now. Then we got this super relaxing chair for 1700 rupees. और ये बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा relaxing है guys. The next we have this plant stool. We got this for 900 rupees. Then we got this face pot. And हमने इसके अंदर भी कोई प्लांट लगाया नहीं है. एंड मुझे ये दिखा था किसी बंजारा मार्केट की वीडियो में जब मैं लेने गई थी उससे पहले. एंड आई लाइक इट सो मच कि आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर दिस इन द होल मार्केट. बट ये बिल्कुल लास्ट में जाके जब इवनिंग हो गई थी और अंधेरा हो गया था तब मिला था. एंड इस पर कुछ डिफेक्ट्स भी हैं बट इट्स फाइन. आई हैड टू गेट दिस बिकॉज इट लुक्स सो गुड. एंड वी गॉट दिस फॉर 100 रुपीज़ आफ्टर बार्गेनिंग. Then we got this stool for 800 rupees और we thought कि हम इसको black paint कर देंगे but अभी तक हमने करा नहीं because this color also goes with the interior of our house. इस पर भी कुछ defects हैं but it's fine. See, you're getting a good deal in Banjara market, so these defects are so obvious to be there. But अगर हम इसको paint कर लेंगे तो ये these won't be visible. So we might paint it but we haven't painted it yet. We got so many pots. I forgot to show you this one, this little one and this one as well. So we got this for 20 rupees and this one for 40 rupees. Then I've also got this globe for 50 rupees and I've placed it here in my book closet. And last but not the least, we got these two stools for 1500 rupees after bargaining. We had to get stools for the new home and we got these. And we can remove this outer cover and wash it separately. So since this vlog is also about home decor, I would attach some clips because we went to this Pratap nursery, which is a huge nursery near our home. It's in Siraspur and it is a big nursery and the people over there were so nice. जो वहाँ पे helper थे वो भैया वो बहुत अच्छे थे. I hope he's watching the vlog because उन्होंने subscribe किया था मेरे channel. And I'll be attaching some clips from the nursery and also of the pots and the planters that we have got from there. हमने वहाँ से बहुत सारी plant shopping करी. बड़ा फार्म है भैया, तो आप इसको सब सारे प्लांट्स में पानी कैसे डालते हो डेली?
भैया ने मुझे बताया था, भैया रोज डालते हैं एंड दे आर 11 पीपल हियर.
ओह 11 पीपल.
दर्जन इज 12 नॉट 11.
मतलब एक कम हो जाता है.
You see this plant over here? It's called Nolina and it's for 1 lakh rupees and it's not even for sale. तो प्रताप नर्सरी से हम ये सारे प्लांट्स लेके आए थे, प्लांट्स एंड द पॉट्स एज वेल. दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्यूट प्लांटर. हमने इसमें 2-3 रोजेस डिफरेंट काइंड रोजेस लगवाए थे बट अभी रेड वंस आर नॉट हेयर. और लुक एट दिस रियली क्यूट वाइट वंस, वाइट रोजेस. देन देयर आर दीज स्मॉल पॉट्स. this is it for this vlog. I hope you found this vlog a bit helpful. If you did, then do like, share and subscribe. Also अगर जाओगे बंजारा मार्केट तो बार्गेनिंग ज़रूर करना और दोपहर के टाइम जाना, क्योंकि वही रात में तुम लोगों को दिखेगा नहीं कि वहाँ पे क्या डिफेक्ट्स हैं आइटम्स में एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या दिस इज इट फॉर दिस व्लॉग. बाय, आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर नहीं करा तो. बाय.